This is a motor that came in that had loss of power, and it had fuel leak. We repaired some of the fuel leaks, and it wasn't spraying much water, and you could tell the impeller's got problems. So it could have been going into guardian mode. Okay. Much better stream. Okay. All right.